So don't stand in my way. No. If you put hands on me, hold on. So what's going on? No. If you put hands on me, get your hand off me. Don't put hands on me. Don't put hands on me. You don't have to understand nothing. Don't put hands on me.
Cannot just fire a drone. I want to
understand.
listen.
Welcome to Lawscope UK, where police encounters are broken down by the law, not opinion. Culberks is the source of today's video. Go show them some support by watching the entire video. The link is provided below. In this episode, an auditor operating a drone encounters incarceration, physical contact, and perplexing legal claims during a stressful interaction outside the Edmonton police station. We'll dissect every instance, revealing instances in which the police go too far, misapply the law, and disregard basic rights. This demonstrates why it is more crucial than ever to know your rights and how to defend them. Let's dive right in.
I'm just flying a drone.
What?
Oh, I just like flying drones.
Yeah, not outside the police station.
So who are you?
I'm a police officer.
Oh, I'm really sorry.
Okay.
I'm really sorry about that. I should have known better.
No. Sorry.
So what's your name?
My name's Beth.
Okay. So should I not be doing that?
I don't think it's a great idea. Would you want it outside your house?
I wouldn't mind.
Yeah.
It's a little thing.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take it up, all right?
Okay, well, I think someone's going to come and see you.
There's really no need.
We start with an odd encounter. She declares right away that filming shouldn't take place here and promises to involve others. This is a small but significant moment. The tone for what will happen is set by her tone, her body language, and the instant suspicion of wrongdoing. There is only a warning and a threat of escalation. No legal reference, no conversation.
So who are you?
I'm a police officer and you're
are you?
doing this under the police station, so why are you
Oh,
here?
I'm really sorry.
You know that it's a police station, so why are you doing this in here?
Yeah.
Yeah, you shouldn't be.
Oh, why not? So who are you guys? Like, you're all in plain clothes.
Hang on, right.
What do you mean, hang on? Can you
just
no,
wait.
get your hand off me.
Can we call a unit, please?
Hold on. What are you doing? What's going on here? Well, let me land it then.
What is it? Yeah, bring it down now. No, I don't. Because you're looking into the backyard of the police station.
What, is that not allowed?
No, it's
Why not?
allowed.
Why is it not allowed? Can we all slow down a sec? What's going on? Can you identify yourself?
I'm PC Emily O'Connor.
Emily O'Connor. You know you just put hands on me. You shouldn't really do that without identifying yourself. You could be a civilian.
Yeah.
I just identified myself that I'm police.
Yeah, but you're just a
Someone
right.
call the
So are the girls.
Can you get some uniform police here, please?
Yeah, we don't need any uniform police. No, I'm leaving, by the way. I'm leaving. No, I'm leaving. I'm not.
No,
what do you
you're not
mean I'm
leaving
What,
now.
am I detained? What's going
Well,
on
you're
then?
not leaving
No,
now.
I'm leaving. Are you detaining me? Mind up, sorry.
Well, you just run this into me.
We've only said that you shouldn't be having drones on around the police station.
No, but it's been filmed in the back of the police station.
No, I'm leaving.
No, you're not leaving.
So what are you detaining me under?
I have never witnessed such inept policing. They inquire as to whether he is being held as he tries to leave. Just a straightforward query. They avoid it as if they have never heard of due process. None of them are able to name a power. None of them provide an explanation. They simply remain still and utter no meaningful words. This isn't law enforcement. A power trip is taking place. Incompetence is not justified by wearing a uniform. And that's precisely what we're seeing here. A group of inexperienced officers who are unable to defend or explain their behavior. They are legally obligated to specify which law they are acting under and why under Section 2 of PACE. Rather, we are met with silence, inconsistency, and an illegal incarceration.
What's going on?
Is anyone calling the
So what am I detained under? Otherwise I'm
No, 'cause
leaving.
we need to know what footage you've got.
No,
on
you
your
don't need
phone
to look.
of
You don't
the
need to look at
back-
anything.
Yeah, because you're
No, you
filming
don't.
the police station.
And I can film it. No, sorry, I'm leaving. Get your hand off me. Don't touch me. Get your hand off me. Are you detaining me under a power? What's going on?
That's mine.
Why are you taking photos of me? Am I detained or not?
I didn't call.
We need to get someone
You just
to
assaulted
calm
me
down.
numerous times without even
did?
detaining me. So what's going on?
Who did?
You did. You just tried to grab me.
Because you're trying to run away. We've asked you to
I'm not
stay
trying to
here.
run away. I've
Get
asked you a
someone
question.
to
Am I
look.
detained or not? You're saying, oh, you can't leave. You're surrounding me. You're trying to stop me.
Well, you're outside police station.
I can
with
be
your
outside the
drone.
police
No, you
station.
can't.
Yes, of course I can.
Unless you have a police business, which is at the front and not at
I
the
don't have a
back.
police business. I don't need
Well,
to
so
have.
why are you here?
Because I'm
with
allowed
your
to fly it.
drone?
I'm allowed to fly it.
No, you
Of course
don't.
I'm allowed to fly it.
No,
I am allowed
you're
to
not.
fly it.
Go to the park and fly it, but
No, I
not
want to
over
fly
the
it here.
police station.
You don't own the airspace, do you?
Neither are you. I said go to the park, not
What do you
over
mean,
the
go
police
to the park? Are
station.
you my mum? Like, I don't take orders from you, sorry.
From this point on, it only gets worse. He is informed by one of the officers that he is not permitted to travel here. No mention of any legislation, no effort to locate the drone code for Civil Aviation Authority, nothing. Just another unfounded assertion made with assurance and no clarity. The Sub-250 class includes the DJI Mini 2. Flying is permitted in the majority of public areas, even those close to buildings, as long as it doesn't endanger people or violate airspace regulations. However, they are attempting to shut it down as if it were a terrorist danger. This is precisely the reason that public confidence in law enforcement is declining. In the hopes that compliance will be simpler than questions, officers are faking their way through the legal system.
And stop filming me.
You just took a photo of me. You're talking about things that you don't know nothing about, like. Why are you all bugging out like this? Just relax.
No, I'm not gonna relax.
Well, you
because
just tried to. You lot have just put hands on me numerous times.
Over the police
I can't have it over the police station. Who are you? Can you identify yourself?
I already did.
No, you
multiple
didn't.
Times.
No,
I
you
already
didn't.
did
Who are you?
multiple times.
Who are you?
Can we have a uniform officer in here, please?
You lot are moving mad. I'm leaving. You still haven't told me what I'm detaining them. You put hands on me numerous times. I'm not very happy with. I'm not very happy. I'm not. Well, of course I can run away. You haven't. You haven't.
So agitated?
I'm getting agitated because you lot have surrounded me.
Ask your question, why are you
No. I don't feel comfortable right now. I feel very scared. I feel very scared. You lot surrounded me.
You're scared. You're pathetic. That's
Why
what
am I
you are.
pathetic? You lot have grabbed me, put hands on me.
You've tried to run away when we've asked.
What do you mean try to? I can run. It's a free country. If I want to run, I can run. All right, see ya. If I want to run, I can run. Guess what? I can walk where I want. How about that?
That's fine, we've got your photo anyway.
You got my photo. Now what? No, I need to make a complaint certainly about you and about this lady putting hands on me and that.
Of course you do.
What do you mean? Of course I do. You just put hands on me.
Well, you would. You would.
Oh, what? Because I flew a drone. What?
Yeah,
it's illegal.
over
It's
the
illegal
police-
activity.
yeah,
It's
it
illegal
is.
activity. I'm going to do it again.
Do you have a license to fly this? Oh,
Yes,
do
I
you?
do. I have an operator ID. You don't need a license to fly a drone that's under 250 grams. It's 250 grams, so I can fly it wherever I like.
Well, we need a police officer. We don't need a PCSO in here.
That's very
You guys
rude,
can't
actually.
Do really nothing.
No, but we've asked her to call it in.
But there's nothing like funny going on here.
But what
I
was
need
the
to.
reason?
Can you write me down your collar number, please, so I can make a complaint?
What was the reasoning behind flying it over? a
Because I
police
want to
station?
do it.
But why?
It's my freedom to do it. I'd like to do
What
it.
do you want to
It's
look
not.
at? Do you not know that that's like a terrorism threat and things
No,
like
I
that?
don't think I can see all that on Google Earth as well. Yeah. So it doesn't really make any sense. So I'm going to get the drone back up now. I don't want to be interfered with again. If we can just leave it at that, that would be great.
No, you can't because it's the police station. So I don't want you to fly over the police station.
No, I'm going to get it back up. Right now, I'll put it away because I don't know what you lot are going to
You
do.
can go to the park with that.
I don't want to do it in the park. I want
you
to have a
don't,
look
but you
inside
want to
there.
do it
Yeah, I want to look in
here.
there, yeah.
Okay, then, so we can get a uniform unit. You can get nicked for it.
You get nicked for what? What's the crime?
Yeah, for under section under terrorist act.
Yeah,
There
what
you go.
section? Which section?
This is practically absurd. She is unable to even identify the provision of the Terrorism Act. Obviously not aware with the legislation. However, she uses the term terrorism carelessly as if it were a catch-all. This type of ignorant intimidation is an abuse of power in addition to being unprofessional. Officers like him use fear and uncertainty as weapons rather than facts in the hopes that you will simply quiet up and cooperate. She is, however, making herself appear completely foolish.
Stop recording me.
What's the what? Because you're looking like a fool. You don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah, because
You're just playing with your hair and that, man. Why don't you answer some questions? So which section of the Terrorism Act? Is it section 43? See, the difference between me and you, I know what I'm talking about, you don't.
do you now?
Of course I know
So
what I'm talking about. Would
why
I
are
come
you
here and
here?
film if I didn't know what I was talking about? Would I come and do this if I didn't know what I was talking about? You're talking about things that you don't know nothing about. You're looking a bit silly in the process. I suggest you just leave me to do what I need to do, and we just leave it at that, forget this happened. But I'm still definitely going to make a complaint about you because you just tried to touch me and grab me. If I didn't jerk away, there's no telling what might have happened, so...
yeah, clearly.
Would you two mind identifying yourselves?
My shoulder number's right there.
This is not professional though, is it? Could you say your name?
No, we don't say it.
My name,
You don't have to identify.
My name's on here.
Yeah,
And
it's
my
just
shoulder
very
number's there.
unprofessional. Is the whole station like this? Very poor. Have you got a designation card?
That's what these are for.
That's what you need. That's what you need.
That's what you don't need a designation card that lists what police powers you have. You don't need that either.
I've got my designation card on me.
The two PCSOs were unable to present their designation cards. Rather, simply providing their names and caller numbers in accordance with Section 42 of the Police Reform Act of 2002. When performing their duties or exerting their authority, PCSOs are required to provide their designation cards upon request. This card is more than simply a formality. It attests to their legitimacy and the particular authority bestowed upon them by their chief constable. The legal criteria are not met by merely providing a name and column number without presenting their official ID, which raises severe concerns about police accountability and transparency once more.
See this guy gonna start white knighting.
You guys okay? Who is flying the drone?
She was. So we're not showing designation cards, no?
I don't have to show my designation.
You don't.
cards.
You're
No,
sure
my
about that?
designation card is what I have on my car with me.
So you don't have a card there
I have
that
a
shows your.
designation card.
So may I see it
You already
so I can
had
see?
the shoulder number, that's
I'm
enough for
speaking
you.
to her. I'm not
That's
speaking
enough
to you.
for you.
Mate, can I understand where you're
Mate.
flying it? I'm a police sergeant. Can I understand where you're flying the drone? Yeah.
So who are you?
I've just identified who I am. I said
Okay.
I'm a sergeant.
Yeah, because I wanted to do it.
You wanted to fly a drone into our
Yeah,
premises.
yeah.
Why? I just want to
Because I can do it. I wanted to have a look in there.
should look into our
Yeah.
into the police
Yeah.
station. Have you got any reason for that?
No reason, just recreation. It's a hobby.
Near police buildings.
In a police building?
Yeah. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, it's you.
Am I free to go? Yeah.
It's you that is flying the
So
drone.
you're a sergeant. Can you take my complaint? So a few of your
What's-
colleagues and that,
what's your
they put hands on me and stuff like that.
Because obviously we
yeah, no, you can't just put hands on me though, can you? Look, you're in plain clothes. I don't even know you're police.
But
Do you know what I mean? I have a right to defend myself. What would happen if I put hands on you?
I bet she have identified herself.
Regardless, they didn't tell me I was detained. You can't just come and start putting hands on me without telling me I'm detained. So I'm not detained right now. I can go, yeah?
No, if you stand over
No,
there-
I don't need to stand nowhere.
Mate, listen.
Don't make me nothing. Call me sir for one, and if you're going to detain me, tell me I'm being detained.
The auditor's insistence in posing these queries demonstrates his awareness of his rights, which is something that all citizens ought to aim for. Police misbehavior or illegal stops are frequently indicated by their silence or ambiguous responses.
You ain't going to put hands on me.
No, I will not be, but we would like to understand why.
You're not going to put hands on me. You don't need to understand nothing. Tell me that I'm detained under something and I'll stay. If not, then I'm not staying nowhere. So come on, someone needs to do something now, innit?
The girls are trying to call.
There's no if you put hands on me, I'm going to push you out the way.
I haven't put my hands
If
on
you try and
I
stop me
have
from leaving, I'm
nothing
going
in
to
my
push you out the way.
hand.
If you put hands on me, I'm going to push you out the way as well. I'm just telling you preemptively, if anyone puts hands on me, you're going to get put off me. Do you understand?
Right, I do not.
Yeah?
I do not want to escalate.
All right, good. So don't stand in my way. No. If you put hands on me,
Hold on a
hold on.
second.
So what's going on? No. If you put hands on me, get your hand off me. Get your hand off me. Get your hand off
Can
me.
you call
Get your hand off me.
officer on your radio? Can you?
Look at all this.
Officer on the radio.
Don't put hands on me.
Can I
Don't put hands on me.
understand?
You don't have to understand nothing.
He was flying a drone over.
Right,
Don't
right.
put hands
You
on me.
cannot just
Don't
fly
put
a
hands on me.
drone.
Yeah, I
I
can
want
fly
to
a drone.
understand. Listen, okay, I'm detaining. Can I understand why are you?
You don't need
flying
to understand
drone
anything.
that's
What are you
going
expected
into-
to find? You've just searched me under section 1 of PACE. What are you expected to find?
Where's the drone that you have?
It's none of your business.
So because this is a police premises, can I have your radio? One of you, can I have your radio? When who spoke to him before?
Am I detained or not? Are you not meant to be searching me
Mate,
right now?
who
Are you
detained-
not meant to be searching me right now?
Can I find out?
You just
who
said section
detained
1 of
you?
PACE.
Padded Mel, drone at Green Police Station, who's now kicking off, caused a bit of a problem.
I haven't kicked off, done nothing, man. Just let me go, man. What the fuck is this? Let me go.
Right, can I put 1 second, please? Can you relax, please?
I'm relaxed.
Please relax.
You've got no right to be stopping and search me right now.
Because you cannot be.
So are you trying to find prohibited items? Are you
Listen,
trying to find drugs?
mate.
Are you trying to find weapons? I don't understand. Well, what are you trying to find? You're talking about section 1 of PACE, but I don't know what you're trying to find. At least let me know what are the grounds for the search and what you're expected to find. You just put grabbing me up and that, not letting me go, and now telling me section 1 of pace. What's going on? Can you identify yourself?
You want me to?
Because you were putting hands on that on me as well.
I didn't touch you.
Well, you were.
What do you expect? You are at the back of the police station flying a drone. So what do you expect is going to happen? Can you please explain it to me? What do you expect is going to happen? That the police officers coming to duty will just walk past you and they will let you fly your drone over the police station? Is it that what you expect? But is it that's what you expect? Nothing's going to happen, yeah?
Well, I don't expect this.
So
I certainly don't expect.
very much mistaken.
I certainly don't expect
so
this.
you very much mistaken.
I certainly don't expect this.
Well, you caused it. You caused it.
Well, I
so
asked you to put hands on me and surround
you
me
are
and,
in a position where you
threaten
are
to
at
search
the
me in
moment.
Section 1 of pace. I did that, did I?
Yes,
You're the
you
one that
did.
launched with all this paranoia, all this crazy shit. Like,
Well, yeah, because you were flying
you could have
from
just waited
over
for
the
some
police
comms.
station.
You could have just waited for some comms, but instead you just wanted to launch.
We stopped and said, why are you flying a drone?
You know what? I don't think you're in the right job. Like, you're just too emotional, too crazy. Like, and now you've put him in a sticky situation. Do you know what I mean?
What sticky situation, mate?
Because bro, you just messed up, bro. You just put hands on me, section 1 of pace. Oh, now, so what are the grounds for the search? So I'm detained now, yeah? I'm detained under section 1 of pace.
Yeah.
But no one's speaking
I need
to you,
to find
please.
out what's going on, please. Just
So
give
you
me
can't
1
detain
minute.
me to find out what's going on, Sergeant?
Listen, if you're flying a drone, what they have told me, if you have flown a drone into this premises.
But how does that suggest that I got weapons or drugs or stolen
Mate,
goods on me?
I want to know what
So why have you used section 1 power?
I need to.
No, answer the question. No, answer the question, please. I have a right to know why you've used the section 1 power.
It's his powers. He can use the powers he wants. They're not your powers, aren't they?
Well, all right. I have a right to know why he's using the power.
Well, he
as
gave,
a citizen
he
who's
gave
subject
you.
to the same power.
You.
He didn't give me anything.
He gave you.
You just put him in a
information.
situation where he felt like he had to detain me. He couldn't think on the spot, so he's come up with section 1 of pace. What the hell is going on here? Why have none of you lot in uniform as well? Could you please stop interjecting? No, I understand, but you're familiar with section 1 of pace. You've used section 1 of pace. Is it a search power or is it a stop power?
If he feels as if he needs to use section 1 of pace,
It's not really answering the question, is it? It's not about feelings, is it? It's not about I feel like I want to use section 1 of pace.
I don't need to answer it.
Then why are you answering?
If he feels he needs to use his section 1 pace power, he can use his section 1 pace.
It's not good. It's not good for Tel, man.
Okay,
Like, you should know better than that, bro. Come on. You know it's a search power. We all know it's a search power.
I know it's a search
So all right. So what's this right now?
Okay.
What's going on right now?
Detained by him. I can't justify
Okay.
his actions.
No, you don't have any sort of idea, any sort of opinion.
That's up to him.
I'm not asking you to justify anything. I'm just asking you. We can all agree that it's a search power.
One, but I have to stop you now under section 43 of the Terrorism Act.
So am I still detained under section 1?
No, you're not detained under section 1.
Okay, so I'm free to go now, yeah?
No, you're not free. But I can tell you now,
Okay.
you've been detained under section 43 of the Terrorism Act 2000.
This is the point at when things begin to fall apart. The officer abruptly changes course after first using section 1 of PACE, a search authority that necessitates a reasonable suspicion of stolen property or offensive weapons. He gives up on that path for no apparent reason and takes out his phone in the middle of the conversation, scanning through section 43 of the Terrorism Act. Yes, it is correct. Before quoting the legislation, he literally Googled it. This isn't careless law enforcement. It's risky. It is an abuse of the law. When an officer has a reasonable suspicion that someone is a terrorist, Section 43 expressly permits stop and search. However, no such grounds were provided in this instance. Just a camera and a drone, no intelligence, no specific threat. This is an obvious abuse of power.
What I'll be doing now, I will need to see that what you're videoing. I have to review it. Then if we are happy, then I can give it back to you. But at the moment, you've been detained on that section, okay?
And if I don't give it to you?
I won't have... you know what is going to happen.
What's going to happen?
Listen, mate, listen. All I want is, I just want us to deal with this amicably.
Well, we haven't really dealt with it very amicably. Like, you've tried to, but why have you been dragged into this situation? Should have just kept it moving.
Sergeant. If anything is happening in my station,
But nothing's happening in your station.
Obviously, but
So do you think I'm a terrorist? Do you suspect I'm a terrorist right now? What do you? What does that mean? Do you suspect that I'm a terrorist? You don't know.
If you're flying
there needs to be some objective basis. No, I don't want to be handcuffed. I don't want to be handcuffed.
No,
get your hand
I've
off
asked
me.
you
All right, under duress.
politely.
Get your hand off me.
It's
Under
not-
duress. I'm gonna show you.
Wait.
I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you.
Please.
Because if not, you're gonna seize it from me, yeah. So this is the one that was plugged into the controller.
Can I see the device you're using, please?
This is the drone.
This is a drone. Can I... Listen, mate.
Go on, look.
Thank you. Yeah. we have to review everything. Has anybody got a bag here?
What do you want, evidence?
Yeah, evidence bag, please.
Why do you want evidence, bro? You're going to seize it?
Yes.
You're seizing it all, yeah?
Yes. Yeah.
Why? You just said you want us to review the footage?
Yeah, that's what is it not what I said?
Say again?
We will in our own time.
Yeah.
In your own time, yeah? Alright.
In conclusion, it is permissible to fly a drone weighing less than 250 grams in public airspace, even close to police stations. When detaining or searching you, police must have good reason and follow the correct protocol. They have to identify themselves and provide specific explanations. Physical contact needs to be appropriate and warranted. The Terrorism Act and other serious powers cannot be applied arbitrarily. This interaction raises significant issues regarding the boundaries of police power and how they interact with the people, particularly with regard to fundamental liberties like filming in public areas. It's critical that we are aware of our rights and hold law enforcement officials responsible when those rights are violated. Additionally, we contribute to maintaining transparency and defending the rule of law by remaining informed and watchful. Please think about subscribing and sharing if you found this breakdown helpful, as it supports my independent research.